Hey everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, we're unboxing my old school original Boxycharm, but this is a huge box. I think this is the same size as the premium came in this month. I think I know why. I've already peeked. I don't have any eyeshadow on because there is an eyeshadow palette in here. But I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like. I will warn you, there is no card in my Boxycharm this month. We'll talk about that in just a second. Anyway, this is what it looks like when you open it up, except the inside of the Boxycharm premium box was blue. So there's items here, and then there is an extra styrofoam in the bottom there that has the eyeshadow palette underneath it. Before we get into everything in the box, I just wanted to let you all know, if you're not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is Niminis.com. The link's in the description bar down below if you are curious. If not, that is okay too. If you want to check it out, that'd be great. All right, let's go ahead and start to get into the box, but I do want to just mention one thing before I get started. So I got an email a couple of days ago, and it says your virtual February insert card is here. I open it up and I'm like, that's weird, right? So you scroll down through and it has a whole list of products that are in the box. An eyeshadow palette, a sponge set, a setting powder, a cosmetic sponge, and hemp wipes. And it's number 56 is the version. Then the very next day, or sorry, that same day, I get an email from Boxycharm. It says, "Hello, Charmer. We're reaching out about the digital insert card you received in your email today. The contents of your Boxy may not be accurately reflected in the insert card you received from us. We're so sorry for the confusion and are working to make this right. Please expect a new and improved insert card in your inbox by Tuesday. Thanks for your patience and understanding." So I don't go in and look at like all the spoilers. I don't follow Boxycharm on Instagram or anywhere else. I just like to unbox the box, right? It's things, I really just enjoy it. And I had no idea that they were switching to a virtual card, which kind of annoys me, to be honest with you. But anyway, the very next day I got another email with a virtual card. This is version 62, and it does actually match what's in my box. So yeah, I'm not super happy about that because they did increase the price of Boxycharm last year, and it's kind of like, well, why? You've always had a card. Like, why change it? I don't know, maybe I'm just being petty. But that's my own 2 cents. Let's go ahead and get into the box. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the makeup wipes. This is from Evio Skin X Aurora. It's the Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. And I'm not sure. It looks like there's 15 wipes in here. So there it is. I'm going to go ahead and read to you from the digital card since I don't have a paper card. And maybe I'm just being silly and this is like gonna save the environment and all that wonderful stuff, which I'm not gonna lie, that's a good thing. But it's change. All right, Evio Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. These biodegradable multitasking Evio Skin X Aurora wipes are made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. The antibacterial wipes are infused with cannabis sativa or sativa, I don't know, seed oil to reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. So there you go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. This is the only makeup item in here that I'm not going to give a try. This is from Ciate London. It's the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I am going to pull it out and take a look at it, but I'm not going to actually open it and use it today. I think I had another Ciate London powder. I'm in the process of filming my declutter series, and I can't remember. I'm pretty sure I got another Ciate setting powder recently, and I can't remember if I got rid of it or not. I can't smell it, so there is a plastic cover on there. I'm not going to pull that off. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I got another Ciate powder, but like I said, I'm in the middle of filming my declutter video. I can't remember if I decluttered it or if I even filmed that declutter yet. I have a lot of declutters, if you haven't noticed. All right. Coming tomorrow. Actually, this video is going up on Tuesday. The declutter will be coming. My next declutter will be coming next week, or I'm sorry, tomorrow. If you were not aware, I am posting a declutter every Wednesday for the next foreseeable future. This is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Lock in your makeup for long-lasting wear with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Delicately coconut fragrance to take you back to your beach vacay every day. This finely milled and lightweight loose powder smooths over makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish with no flashback. So there you go. This may go in a giveaway. I'm going to actually look through. I still actually have everything that I have decluttered so far. I haven't gotten rid of anything or listed anything for sale. So if I still have the one that I already have, you know, this might just go into a giveaway because I'm assuming it's going to be a similar, if not the same formula as the other powder. This one might just have the coconut in it. I don't know. All right, going into the next item, which is this right here, which is actually cut open. So I'm going to go ahead and just rip it the rest of the way open. This is from Luxie. We get a lot of Luxie brushes. This is actually a sponge set. There are 3 sponges in here. I do love my Luxie brushes. So it is a sponge that looks like that, if you guys can see. And then a flat sponge, which is probably more appropriate for like foundation. This one's probably really good for like cutting out things, or maybe, well, no, because there's a 3rd sponge in here, which would do pretty good for like blending out concealer. So that's pretty nice. Like I said, I always really enjoy the Luxie brushes that we get. So yeah, I'm hoping that the sponges are nice too. They feel soft. There is a slice in the plastic, but I mean, I'm going to throw this away once I get the sponges out anyway. So there we go, the sponge set. Let's go ahead back into my phone and read what it says. This is the Luxie Beauty Complete Sponge Set. This set of sponges provides a full array of applications. Each sponge is built with different densities, water retention rates, and shapes. These sponges are the ideal complement to your brush set to obtain a perfect complexion and impeccable look. Now they're saying the MSRP on this is $40. That's like $13.50, $13.33 technically, I guess, per sponge. I don't know, that seems, I guess it's okay. Like a beauty blender is $20, right? But I actually like some drugstore, I keep moving the box back and forth, drugstore sponges that are less than $13. So, all right, the next item in here is from Laura Geller. It is the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Gilded Honey. This is what it looks like. So it is a golden highlight. I am going to go ahead and put this on, but before I do, I'm going to go ahead and read to you what the card says. This is the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. So it doesn't actually say in the card what color you get. Illuminate your natural beauty. This innovative hybrid texture applies like a sheer powder but feels like a cream, creating a translucent wash of luminous color that can be swept all over the face for a lit from within glow. A fresh 3D design captures the look of our favorite Italian dessert and lasts until the very last application. Okay, so do I want to put this all over my face? Do I? Let me grab a powder brush. Hold on. All right, well, this might be a huge mistake, but we're going to go for it anyway. I don't seem to be getting anything in my brush, to be honest with you. Like, I can't... Okay, there it's starting to pick up a little bit. I don't know if the camera will pick up that it is turning like a golden color. Tell me if I'm doing this wrong. I don't know. I don't normally do this. I usually just use highlighter on the, you know, the high points on my face. But it appears to be giving me a shine. I don't know. Can you guys tell? Does it look like I'm giving myself a shine? Oh, yes, it is. Yes, it is. I think I did too much. I think I did too much. Okay. I think I did too much, but okay, that's fine. It is just fine. Everything's fine. Nothing is wrong here. It's good. Can you guys even tell? Like, if I didn't tell you, like, if you didn't see me put that on, would you have known? And I can only tell because I'm, like, looking really close up in the mirror. All right, let's go for the last item in the box. There is a piece of styrofoam holding it in place, and then this is in here. More bubble wrap, which is kind of cool. They did a pretty good job. Hopefully everything is intact. It's from Iconic London. It's the Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. All right, let me pull the plastic out here. It's pretty. It's more of a neutrals almost. I mean, it's got some darker shades in it too, but it's definitely not like super colorful, but this is more kind of like shades that I will wear, to be honest with you. So It smells like glue, so that's fun. All right, this is the Iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. Create endless, beautiful looks with these 20 highly pigmented shades. These velvety soft powders include a mixture of mattes, shimmers, and glitters for flawless day-to-night looks. There you go. MSRP on this is $62. I probably wouldn't pay $62 for this palette, but I'm going to go ahead and use this. If you're curious to see what kind of look I can do, welcome to stick around. If not, that's it for my unboxing. Let's go back through it again. This is a $25 box. I did get the $62 eyeshadow palette, the highlighter, which I went a little overboard on, the makeup wipes, the powder, and the sponge set. I'm going to be honest, unless this is an absolutely like tremendously amazing eyeshadow palette, this is not my favorite Boxycharm that I've gotten. It's not terrible, but it's not my favorite. So let's go ahead into the palette. Let's see. All right, I do have a couple of eyeshadow brushes down here. If I need other ones, I will go back and get some from behind me. I'm going to go into In the Nude first, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. I did use an eyeshadow primer already, but I did not put anything over top of it. It is a little powdery, so as soon as I'm putting my brush into it, the powder is like coming up pretty much. So just got to remember when using this to tap it off because a lot of powder is coming up. All right, I'm going to go into Ultimate Tan, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. I'm just going to use the same blending brush, and I'm going to put this in my crease. All right, have some struggles with some of the pigmentation on this. I'm going to go into Peaches and Cream, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to go in with an eye shading brush, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. I don't know why I'm going in for a peachy look since I have such a mauve-y lip, but it's fine. It's just makeup. I probably should have went with the Merlot Monday as the red shade, but we're going to go in with this Peaches and Dreams. All right, I like the pigmentation on that one actually a good bit. So, all right. Like everything is just kind of brown. There's copper. A lot of these darker shades would be nice if I was doing like a nighttime look. I mean, I am filming this at 7 o'clock at night, but I'm not going to be leaving the house. I think what I'm going to do is go into Wonderland, which is this shade right here. I'm going to go in with the same shading brush, and I'm going to get some of that on my brush and just put that over top of the Peaches shade, the Peaches and Dreams shade. Okay, well that's pretty. I'm sure I'd probably get even more payout if I used my finger to do that, but I'm not going to. All right, I think that Wonderland shade is actually very, very pretty. I like that a lot. I'm going to go in with the Merlot Mondays, the red, with a small tapered blending, and I'm going to use that in my outer corner to deepen the outer corner up, and I'm probably going to put that in my lower lash line as well, just to kind of bring this into the lipstick that I already put on. I didn't know what kind of eye look that I was going to go for when I put the lipstick on. I just kind of picked one and put it on, so, you know, there's that. All right, I'm going to use my pencil brush here. I'm going to go into the shade Icon, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to use that on my inner corner to just put a pop of a light color in there. All right, I think that's all I'm going to do. I will be honest, I think it's a pretty palette. I do actually, now that I've used it and I've put it on my eyes, I do think it's a very pretty palette. I think though that I have other palettes that are like this. I probably wouldn't go out and pick this up if I was, you know, picking up something that looks a lot like a Violet Voss palette that I have. So yeah, if you don't have a palette, would I pay $62 for this? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But is it a nice palette to have? Sure. I think it's actually really pretty, and I was able to do a very lighter like daytime look, and especially with all of these deep colors on the side over here, I think you could absolutely make this into a nighttime look as well. So overall, I think it's a nice palette. I think you could definitely use it for day to night, right? Or day to slay, which is what they call it. Yeah, I actually really like it. But like I said, I would not personally go out and like seek to get this if it was, you know, if it was just me. I would like to try it some more. I don't have a lot of experience with Iconic London, so I'm actually really pleased to get this. This kind of makes the box worth it for me. I don't feel like anything else in the box really was like wowing me or anything like that. So to make it worth the $25, do I think this is worth $25? Yeah, I do actually. And that's probably the only thing that really makes it worth it for me. The rest of the box is kind of disappointing. The sponges might be amazing, so I'm holding out hope for those. The highlighter, I use it as an all over face highlighter, which is what it said in the description. It's okay. And the makeup wipes, you know, that's kind of like a throwaway for me. I don't know. I don't know. There was only 15 makeup wipes. I don't know. I'm just being sour, I guess. Anyway, that is it for my Boxycharm OG unboxing. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit the red subscribe button and the little bell if if you want to get notified of future videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. Am I just being sour? Like, am I? I don't know. Am I being sour? Maybe I am. Maybe I'm not. I don't know. But I do like the palette. Somehow I just got like fingerprints all over the box. That's weird. Anyway, I do like the palette, but I'm a sucker for eyeshadow. So that is that. See, I got little fingerprints on it. I don't know what I did. That's weird. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I do hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye, guys.